Bryce is here with new parts for the bath tank. Bryce, what'd you get us? Did you bring me new parts? What did we get? Oh,
shiny carburetor.
Hey, that's pretty neat.
Yeah,
I should put that on the bath tank.
it might work better.
I'm hoping so. Nice.
Could hardly work worse.
I don't think it work. I don't think it could work any worse. It's pretty bad right now. Cool. Wow. We should put this on.
Let's do it.
Okay, I'm gonna go put it on. Okay, well, we're throwing these carburetors away because I don't like them and I can't find anything for them and they suck. So we're gonna put in this one instead. So I've got these aluminum bendy bits and put those on there and kind of make a collector there up at the top and then channel it to fit that and then mount it all together and we'll have a car carburetor on this motor. Yeah, so we're gonna do this. This will be neat. Great at welding aluminum, but it should work. Just to be stuck together, two of them, not too bad. Neat. All right, manifold. Manifolds. We got these manifolds done, and they look pretty decent. I'd love to have some gaskets for these, but I don't have any, so I'm gonna use that, which totally won't work and probably won't seal, but that sounds like a problem for future Nate. So I'm just gonna put this stuff on there. So I had taken a whole bunch of video of putting this thing on and like making it work and whatnot, but apparently all that footage is just deleted now. So there's that carburetor we just put on there and the intakes. They look pretty good. We ended up going with a cork gasket because, as I said, there's no way that other stuff was gonna work, and what do you know, it didn't. So there it is. I would love to fire it up and show you, but I did this thing where I broke the clutch. It's right there. It's in pieces. And we did that at the end of the suspension video because we put suspension in this thing and it's cool. So cut to that video. Woo!